Are you managing office space? Your current office design feel outdated or uninviting? A well-designed office interior and the significant impact it can have on employee satisfaction and overall performance. Introducing our expert office interior designer. We specialize in creating tailor-made office spaces that reflect your company's values and culture while maximizing functionality. Whether you're looking to revamp an existing office or design a brand new one, we work closely with you to understand your unique needs and vision. Our team of office interior designer combines creativity with strategic thinking to optimize your space, enhance aesthetics, and improve workflow. From selecting the right furniture to implementing efficient layouts, we ensure every element contributes to an inspiring environment. Plus, we stay up to date with the latest design trends, bringing fresh ideas and innovative solutions to your workspace. So why wait? Contact us today to schedule a consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.